Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were on exercise in 12.1, in which we were doing the conversion of various units. Okay, the chapter is measurement of length, and here we are converting the various units of length measures. Okay, so in the last we had done conversion of meter into centimeter. Then after that we had done how to convert decimeter into centimeter. Now we will begin with the fifth question of exercise 12.1, that is convert into decimeters. So first of all, let's write on the topic here, that is exercise 12.1. Okay, the exercise is 12.1. The question number is 5. Convert into decimeters. So this is the question, that is to convert into decimeter. So how we can convert? Okay, so let's see. So first is 4 meter. The A part is 4 meter. The A part is 4 meter. So we have to convert it into decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 4 meter is equal to 10 into 4 is equal to 40 decimeter. And this is answer is 40 decimeter. Okay, so this is a simple conversion. Moving to the B part, in which we have to convert 528 meter into decimeter. 528 meter into decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 528 meter is equal to 528 into 10, that is 5280 decimeter. This is, so the answer is 5280 decimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of the A and the B part of question number 5. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the C part. Moving to the C part of question number 5. The C part is convert into decimeter, that is 6720 meter. This is 6720 meter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 6720 meter is equal to 6720 into 10, that is 67,200 decimeter. So the answer is 67,200 decimeter. Moving next to the D part. The D part is 4081 meter and 5 decimeter. 4081 meter and 5 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So we have to convert this one. So for converting 4081 into decimeter, we will multiply it with 10. It will convert it into decimeter. Plus 5 is already in decimeter, so we will write it as it is. So This is 408100. This is 4,08,100 decimeter plus 5 decimeter. Sorry, this is not 100 नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 10 होगा. Okay, this is 40,810 decimeter. So now added 40,815 decimeter. So the answer is 40,815 decimeter. Okay, so this is C and the D part of question number 5 of exercise 12.1. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the E part. Moving next to the E part, that is 9,810 meter and 8 decimeter. 9,810 meter and 9,810 meter and 8 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 9,810 will be converted into decimeter by multiplying with 10 plus 8 decimeter. This is 98100 decimeter plus 8 decimeter. This is 98108 decimeter. 98,108 decimeter. So the answer is 98,108 decimeter. Okay, so I just write it here so that it will be clear. यहाँ पे reflection आ रही है. This is 98,108 decimeter. So this is the solution for the E part of question number 5. Similarly, the F part, that is also same. So for that, you have to do that F part by yourself. Okay, so F part is your homework. Moving next to the question number 6 of the exercise 12.1. Question number 6. Convert into millimeters. Now we have to convert it into millimeters. Okay, so let's convert it. So 78 centimeter. 78 centimeter. We have to convert it into millimeters. This is 78 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 78 centimeter is equal to 78 into 10. That is 780 millimeter. And this is your answer. Moving next to the B part. The B part is 31 centimeter of 7 millimeter. 31 centimeter 7 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 31 centimeter will be converted into millimeter by multiplying it with 10. Okay, the 7 is already millimeter, so we will write this as it is. This is 310 millimeter plus 7 millimeter. This is 317 millimeter. And this is the answer. Okay. So this is the solution for the A and the B part of question number 6. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the C part. Moving next to the C part. The C is convert into millimeter. This is 3 decimeter, then 2 centimeter, then 5 millimeter. So this is okay, we have to convert it into millimeter, but here we are having decimeter, here we are having centimeter, this is already millimeter, and we have to convert into millimeter. So first of all we are going to word these two on the same unit. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम डेसीमीटर को क्या बनाएंगे, सेंटीमीटर, एंड देन हम दोनों सेंटीमीटर को क्या बनाएंगे, millimeter, right? Okay, so 1 decimeter, sorry, so this is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, so 3 decimeter, sorry, okay, so this is decimeter now. We have to convert it into centimeter. Oh, sorry, this is 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Sorry. Okay, so this is 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so 3 decimeter is equal to 3 into 10, that is 30 centimeter. Now we can easily convert. That means 3 decimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. So we can convert 30 centimeter to centimeter and 5 millimeter into millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 30 centimeter will be converted into millimeter by multiplying it with 10 plus 2 into 10, that will be converted into millimeter, plus 5 millimeter. This is 300 millimeter plus 20 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. 300 plus 20, 320 plus 5, 325 millimeter. And this is the answer. This is 325 millimeter. Okay. So this is the solution for the C part of question number 6. So you can pause your videos here and note down the solution for the C part of question number 6. Moving next to the question number 7 of 12.1. Okay, so the question number 7 is, so question number 7 is convert into meter. So now we have to convert the given numbers or given units into meter. So the first one is 8 kilometer. The first is 8 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 8 kilometer is equal to 8 multiplied by 1000. Then it will be converted into meter. This is 8000 meter. This is 8000 meter. Moving next to the B1. This is 42 kilometer. This is 42 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 42 kilometer is equal to 42 into 1000, that will be converted into meter. This is 42,000 meter. So 42 kilometer is equal to 42,000 meter. So this is the solution for the A and the B part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the C part of question number 7. C part of question number 7, that is to convert into meter. 35 kilometer, 500 meter. 35 kilometer, 500 meter. Again, 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So kilometer will be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000 plus 500 meter. This is 35,000 meter plus 500 meter. This is 35,500 meter. So the answer is 35,500 meter. Okay. So this is the solution for the C part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the D part of the same question number 7. Okay, so let's do the D part. Okay. The D one is convert 71 kilometer 37 meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 71 kilometer will be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000 plus 37 meter. So this is 71,000 meter plus 37 meter. So this is 71,037 meter. So the answer is 71,037 meter. Okay. So this is the solution for the D part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the E part. Okay, now we are moving to the E part of question number 7. E part is to convert 99 kilometer 9 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 99 kilometer will be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000 plus 9 meter. This is 99,000 meter plus 9 meter. So this is 99,009 meter. So the answer is 99,009 meter. So this is the solution for the E part. So this is the last question from the exercise 12.1. So with this we have completed the exercise 12.1. Okay, now we will move to the exercise 12.2 that we will do in the next session. So in the 12.2 it is also conversion. So if you want, you can try it by yourself. This is just a very simple conversion as we have done earlier here. Okay, and जिससे पहले जितने भी sum के that were also of conversion, this sum is also related to the conversion only. So you can do that by yourself as well. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.